Hi friends, let me show you this new pet steps ramp with a chair. You can move it around easily because it has these coasters, or you could use these fixed anti-slipping legs if you want to change them. I'm going to keep the coaster ones, and it has a really convenient basket in the bottom part. You can put toys or snacks or pets stuff, and you can use it for your dogs so they can use the stair that is collapsible here. So it's so easy to use. You just put it out like this. There you go. Now you have the stair for your dogs. Ven, Choco. So they can climb through the stairs or from your couch, depending on the age and mobility of your pets. You can use it so they will be by your side when you are working, or if you are seeing TV or having a snack. They can have their own seat here, okay? And let's try the ladder. Milo. Okay. When they get used to it and when they get to know it, they are able to use it really easy. Okay. This seat with ramp, it's really nice, and it can be a great companion for you and your pets when they want to be with you. And it's so convenient because when you are not using it anymore, you just have to fold it like this and store it away really, really easy. You see? It's really comfortable for them and practical for your home, your office, everywhere you want to be hanging out with your pets. Either cats, dogs, they can be happy playing with you and being really comfortable in this seat. Look at that. Thank you.